Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Art and Craft with Nabila. মূলত আমি আমার এই চ্যানেলে তো এই ধরনের ভিডিওস আপলোড করি না, লাইক মেকআপ ভিডিওস আর সাম টিউটোরিয়াল ভিডিওস, বাট এই ভিডিওটা আমি আপলোড করতেছি অ্যাজ আ এক্সপেরিমেন্ট। যদি এই ভিডিওটা ভালো পরিমাণে চলে যায়, ভালো পরিমাণে পারফর্ম করে, সো তোমরা ভবিষ্যতে এই ধরনের ভিডিও আরও দেখতে পেতে পারো। দেখি এই ভিডিওটা কেমন পারফর্ম করে। অ্যান্ড फिलहाल let's get start my today's video, that is Eid makeup tutorial. I know I'm not good at makeup a lot, but I know something about this. So let's get start. A very light makeup for Eid cause it's summer and I think we all like to do some light makeup on Eid. So let's do light plus gorgeous makeup. So yeah, let's begin. So I already do my skincare, and for my skincare I was use this guavaberry water, rose water. Then I use, oh my god, this blue light. Then I use this niacinamide face serum for my skincare. I already have my skincare and now I'm just going to do my makeup tutorial. So that is the niacinamide serum, and after that I just use my favorite moisturizer, that is Pond's moisturizer. Here it is. So now not further ado, let's get started our today's makeup tutorial video. So anyway, now I'm gonna use this sunscreen cause I was forget to use that while I'm doing my skincare. So I know it's night time, but on Eid we will going to do makeup in daytime, so we have to use sunscreen with our skincare. Cause for me sunscreen is very important to use after makeup. So now I'm use a primer, and that is Fit Me primer, and you have to use primer like this, like tap 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 tap, and after that you have to massage it very gently. So yeah, and remember you have to massage it very gently. And now it's time to our base makeup. For this, it is very light plus gorgeous makeup. I'm gonna use this BB cream, Pond's BB cream, and I always like to use BB cream like this, and I think you all are who use BB cream apply it like this. So yeah, now I'm do this tap tap therapy, and after that I'm gonna massage it very gently. I say it again, you have to do your makeup very gently. By the way, now I'm gonna use this lipstick for my blush. I was use normal lip balms my blush, but now I'm started to use matte lipsticks for my blush cause it's give me very beautiful look, and oh my god, it's being so pigmented, so I like to use matte lipstick as blush. So yeah, now I'm gonna use Lakme compact powder, and yeah, and you have to blend your compact very perfectly, and please don't forget to use that cause compact powder can give your face a perfect makeup plus glowy look. So yes, here I'm complete to use compact powder, and now I'm gonna do my eye makeup with my brush sets. So yeah, here is my eye palette, and now I'm choose a perfect color for my eye makeup, and yeah, now I'm applying it. I suggest you to use your dress color matching eyeshadow. So here I am using that color, and yeah, this color is going to be very perfectly with my Eid dress. So yeah, now I'm gonna set my eyebrows with this brush, and this brush is really going to help you to set your eyebrows. Anyway, now I'm gonna use a highlighter. I like to use highlighter a lot, guys. You can say I'm a big fan of highlighter. So yeah, I'm use highlighter on my upper nose, on my upper lip, and I use that on my chin. And now I'm gonna use mascara, which I love to use. I like to use this product all the time. It can be my light makeup, it can be my gorgeous makeup, or it can be nothing, but I like to use mascara a lot. You can say mascara is my most favorite makeup product. So yeah, now I am use mascara very carefully, cause if I not be careful, then my full makeup going to be rush. So yeah. And now it's time to do my lip makeup. At first I use Vaseline, then I use a perfect and amazing lip gloss, and then I'm gonna use this matte lipsticks, which I love to use. And here I am use it very perfectly. And this is my new lipstick which my mama gifted me. And yeah. And guys, that's it. And that is for my final look. I will upload my all the photo shoots after doing this makeup on my community post. So yeah, that's it. And I hope so my this video is going to be performed very well. Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. And thank you so much for watching. So okay everyone, that's it for my today's video, and that's it for my first ever makeup tutorial video as I experiment. So I hope you enjoyed that video with my voice cover and with my expressions obviously. So anyway, I hope you like it, and if you are, then please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and don't forget to do subscribe. And today's video is especially going to be dedicated to my all the Pakistani and Indian audience, cause in my last Q&A video, my Indian viewer Ishrat Khan Appi was request me to make any video in Hindi or English, so this video is totally dedicated to her. And yeah, so that's the reason why I make my today's video in English voice cover or in English language. So yeah, now I'm going to do some amazing photo shoots, and yeah, I hope you like this, and I hope you will do makeup like me in it if you like it. So yeah, Allah Hafiz.